Somebody refuses to get out of the car and insists on driving. Are you gonna drive, Zeus? Yes? And he's gonna drive Hera. You decided you want to drive today? Yeah? You're gonna drive? Where are you gonna go? Where are you driving to? Where are you driving to? Zeus. Zeus, where are you driving to? You didn't have enough of the car yet. You were out all day. You were out all day and you want to drive some more? You're a good driver, I know. And Hera? Hera's ready for the ride. You're ready for the ride? Huh? Where's Zeus taking you? Where is Zeus taking you? Is he taking you on a date? He is? Where is he taking you to? Huh? Is he taking you to the store? Yeah? Zeus, where are you taking Hera? Where are you taking Hera without me? Zeus! Zeus, you're ignoring me. Zeus, where are you taking Hera? You don't have the keys. Oh, you're just gonna sit down and wait. Okay. I see how you are today. Okay. I see how you are. And you too, you're just gonna sit in the car and just wait. Okay. Okay. Okay, Zeus. Okay. Okay. Goodbye, Zeus. They're still in there. Yes, you're still in there, I see. And Zeus too. You're still in there. You refuse to come out. Look. She's ready to go for a ride. And Zeus wants to take her. And you want to take her. You're just waiting. Okay. Okay. Alright, have fun. Have fun. Whoa, they're leaving. Are you leaving? Are you leaving? Are you leaving? Really? You're leaving? You're leaving? You're both leaving. Okay. Okay. Goodbye.